Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried opening a Telegram channel and suddenly got hit with the "this channel cannot be displayed" message, you already know how annoying it can be. But don't stress, because today I'm going to show you two simple and updated methods for 2025 that will fix this issue in just a couple of minutes. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything. A lot of people face this error every single day, so you're definitely not alone. Sometimes it's due to restrictions, and other times it's just a small setting blocking your access. So let's jump straight into the easiest method first. Open your browser and type web.telegram.org in the search bar. Hit enter and you should see Telegram's official web version appear. Go ahead and click the first link. The web version gives you access to settings that don't always show up on the mobile app, which is why this method works so well. Once the page opens, look at the top right corner and tap the three dots menu. From there, head into settings and then select privacy and security. Now scroll down until you find the sensitive content section. You'll see a toggle that filters sensitive content. Simply disable that filtering option. Some users notice the change instantly, while others may need to refresh the page, so don't worry if it takes a moment. That's all you have to do. Now switch back to your Telegram app and try opening the channel again. Most of the time, this alone fixes the problem and the channel loads without any issues. But if it still doesn't work for you, no worries. There's another quick fix. All you need to do is turn on a VPN. Open your VPN app, connect to any location, and wait a few seconds for it to activate. Once it's connected, reopen Telegram. If one server doesn't work, try switching locations until the restriction is bypassed. Changing your virtual location usually bypasses any regional restrictions, and your channel should load normally right away. And that's it. Two fast and effective ways to fix the "this channel cannot be displayed" issue on Telegram in 2025. These methods are safe, easy, and work on both Android and iPhone. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Telegramming.